Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And after the Windows update, the network mapping drive is getting issue. So how to resolve? So guys, first method is very important. Click to start and type Credentials Manager. Only type the credential, so it will show like this. Okay, and then open it. After that, click on Windows Credentials, and if any show, so like select and remove of your the server, your drive locations. This only remove it, other is not. Okay, and just remove this is remove. I remove. After that it will remove it and then close it. Next, click to start and then go to setting, then network and internet. After that, the advanced options, advanced network setting. Click on network sharing center. After that, network discovery on, file sharing center on. Okay, other network, so this is also on, and this is for the password. Someone access your shared drive, so that's required the password, and after that it will access after enter the right password. Okay, if you off, so the guys not need to passwords to access your share data. Okay, so it's totally depend about you, it's off or on. Okay, and then close it. Next method, fix SMB setting. So click to start, type control panel. After that, select the category, then click on program file, then again click program and feature, then click on turn on off, click it. Now you find out the SBI SMB 1.0 is enabled or not. It's disabled, so we have to enable it. So scroll down, so you can see SMB direct, it's enable. So if it is like uncheck, so please check this and okay, like this. Okay, and then close it. Then next method, so restart the network. Click to start, type CMD. Okay, and enter the command nets space win shock space reset, and then hit enter. Okay, so you can see if you don't open the run as administrator, that will come this service is not run. So close it and then click to start, type CMD, and then right click to run as administrator. Okay, now click to yes, and then now you have to type again nets win shock reset, then hit enter. Now you must reset computer or else like that. Next command, again nets int ip reset, and then hit enter. Okay, so you can see this is maximum its restart required, and then close it. Now Windows, click to start, then type run, open it, type percentage temp and percentage. After that, click to OK, then select all and right click to delete it. Okay, and this is your temp data is not real data, it's temporary file. Then close it and then restart your system, and then please check it. Okay guys, thank you.